Hey students, today we are going to discuss about the very interesting topic which is diffusion. It's a random dance of particles by Ms.Saamiyah J. Qureshi. First, subscribe to my channel and let's start the video. Hey young chemists, welcome back to Simple AlChemy. Today we are diving into something cool, literally how particles move on their own. This is called diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is when particles move from where there are a lot of them, which is known as high concentration, to where there are fewer, which is low concentration. So they move from high to low concentration until they are evenly spread around. It's like when friends spread out in a room to get comfortable, not all squished in one corner, right? So like the friends spread around, similarly, the particles also spread around. Let's keep it simple. For example, imagine you open a bottle of perfume in one corner of the room. After a few seconds, someone across the room can smell it too. It's magic? Nope, that's diffusion. Diffusion in liquids. Diffusion in liquids is much slower as compared to gas. Take a purple crystal like potassium manganate and drop it in water. You will notice the color starts spreading slowly. This is diffusion. The particles are moving around and mixing on their own. But here's a twist. Diffusion in liquids is slower than in gases. Why? Because the particles in liquids bump into each other a lot more. It's like trying to run in a swimming pool, which is not easy. Diffusion in gases. As I said, diffusion in gases is really fast, and diffusion in liquids is slower. Scientists even did a fun experiment using bromine gas. They put a few drops in a jar, which is brown bromine, and soon the whole jar turned brown. That's because gas spreads to fill the entire space, every single corner. This is where the real action happens. Gases diffuse super fast. Why? Because their particles are far apart and zoom around really fast, like tiny rockets. So they move faster as compared to liquids. Now, the main question, why don't solids diffuse? They don't move. Easy, because particles in solids don't move around. They just vibrate in their place like these balls in the jar, like standing in a packed elevator where there is no space available to move. Now, what affects diffusion speed? Let's break it down. First, state of matter. Gases diffuse fastest, liquids diffuse slower, and solids do not diffuse. So the first thing is the states of matter. The second thing is temperature. The warmer it is, the faster the particles move. So diffusion happens quicker in hot tea as compared to cold water. Number 3, size of the molecules. Size and mass. Small, light molecules move faster than big, heavy ones. That's why in an experiment, ammonia gas beats hydrochloric gas in a race because it's lighter. So the lighter molecules move faster. Now, let's test it. Have you ever smelled popcorn from another room? That's diffusion. Drop some food coloring in water and watch the magic happen. That's also diffusion. Have you seen the viral turmeric test? Do you know the viral turmeric magic in water is also an example of diffusion? Tiny yellow particles of turmeric randomly spread in water from high to low concentration until they are evenly spread. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe if this video made diffusion fun for you. And don't forget to check out more cool chemistry basics only here on Simple AlChemy, which is your lab of learning. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.